I'm going to take you through some of the questions on Hooke's Law in your workbook and your notebook. Now I'm starting off in your notebook, and this is the first Hooke's Law question in your notebook. This is question number 1. There are 2 types of Hooke's Law question. There are Hooke's Law questions that ask you to use the formula either to work out the force, the constant or the extension, or there will just be questions on springs. Now this question here does not ask you to use the formula, it's just a question on a spring. Now, in this question, this is the same spring, just in different conditions. So, a spring has a natural length of 8 centimetres. So that's the spring with no load attached, and it has a natural length of 8. When loaded with a 5 Newton weight, the total length of the spring is 23 centimetres. What weight would stretch the spring so that its total length is 14? So this question is asking you to work out the unknown force here, unknown weight. So, when the spring has 5 newtons attached to it, that causes the spring to extend by 15 centimetres, So, the 5 Newton weight causes an extension of 15 centimetres. So as you can see here, 23 minus 8 causes an extension of 15 centimetres. So it's basically that 5 Newton weight that is causing this 15 centimetre extension. So if 5 newtons causes an extension of 15 centimetres, what would 1 Newton cause an extension of? Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So again, 5 newtons causes an extension of 15. 1 Newton must cause an extension of 3 centimetres. That's going to help us to work out the unknown weight here. So if 1 Newton causes an extension of 3 centimetres, let's find out what is the extension between this 14 centimetres and the natural length 8. So 14 minus 8 causes an extension of 6 centimetres. So what weight would be needed to cause an extension of 6 centimetres? So we know that 1 Newton causes an extension of 3. 2 newtons must cause an extension of 6. So on this spring, there must be a 2 Newton weight added to it to cause the 6 centimetre extension. So the answer here is 2.